Now let's see how to convert a non-deterministic finite automata into deterministic finite automata. So here a non-deterministic finite automata is given in diagrammatic form, state transition diagram with only two states. So I have taken here very simple example. So with two states, this is initial state, put, that's why I put an arrow here, and this is final state. So, and this is the state transition table for this finite automata. So this is state transition table of the given NDFA. Now we see, because of these two entries, this is non-deterministic finite automata and both the pairs are same. So we consider S0 S1 as some new state capital S. Suppose if there are two different combinations, suppose S0 S1 is here and यहाँ होता आपका S1 S2, तो हम इसको कुछ एक स्टेट एज्यूम करते, कुछ P, और इसको दूसरा कोई स्टेट एज्यूम कर सकते. But now both are same, so we write S0 S1 as capital S as a new state. And now we construct a new state transition table including the new state capital S. So S0 is the initial state, S1 is the final state, and capital S is the new state. So using input 1, S1, S0 moves to here, S0 moves to S0 S1, and this is capital S. So we can say S0 to capital S is a transition with 0 input. So that's why I have written here capital S. With 1 input, the transition is S0 to S1. So S1 is okay. For this S1, इसके लिए transition with 0 input, there is no transition, so put a dash. With 1 input, S1 moves to again capital S, so here I wrote capital X. Now with the new S, this capital S moves to what? With 0 input. Let's see here, capital S with 0 input. So capital S means these two with 0 input. So we take both the transition, S0 with 0 input, S1 with 0 input, and this means S0 with 0 input is again capital S. So this is capital S, and S1 with 0 input is nothing. S1 with 0 input is dash, so put a dash. Now their union means again capital S. This is capital S. So it means the transition is S to S with 0 input. So I wrote here S. Similarly, S, the transition of capital S with 1 input is again S. So this is the new state transition table with new state. And now you can see there is a single state. There are not two states are coming in any of the column. So that's why we can say this is a deterministic. So initially the finite state machine was non-deterministic, but after introducing a new state capital S, I have converted the given finite state machine that was non-deterministic into a deterministic finite automata. And from this transition table you can draw the transition diagram also.